Hello and welcome to another episode of Half-Assed Garage. It's a new day, and I'm finding car parts. Yeah, so I didn't put that in all the way, obviously. So hold on, before you let's. They have no idea. The last thing they saw was the car. They have nothing. They don't even know what the hell this is. So. The bell housing transmission chunk from a Mark IV Golf. Obviously standard, so that has the slave cylinder's going to come out. But basically, you take the transmission apart, and I got this for, I guess $40, maybe like $50 at the junkyard. Took it apart. Thank you, Charles. And what we're going to do is we're going to slice off this chunk because I only need this. Like that. That's what I need right there. So this chunkarooski is going to come off. And it's going to start with that guy. Real fucking blades. Not Harbor Freight junk. And, yeah. Let's watch and observe, I guess. I don't think those are for aluminum. Alright, hold on.
Dude, that thing just filed this fucking thing down.
It did. Medium metal. Okay, that doesn't tell me. Alright. No, I don't know. Give you a wood blade. Let me turn it over. Alright, let's see if it's.
Because of that fucking metal ring.
Oh. You want to just go right to the grind wheel?
No.
No? It comes out. You want a big ass screwdriver? Yeah, let me get you a screwdriver. Hammer and a screwdriver. So what are you doing?
I'm gonna try to smash some shit.
Just break off a couple chunks, move it away from the fucking tools. There we go. Hit it the other way. Nope. Oh, chunky. Is that really cracking right where you need it? Holy shit, you lucky prick. You really just... Wow! Charlie,
wow.
Go buy a lottery ticket.
Right,
Go buy a lottery ticket.
Wow. That just got me a little nervous.
You need to go buy a lottery ticket. Alright. Is it cracked right there? It says, yeah. A couple cuts.
Yeah, I'll go with the cuts right here.
Go with a couple cuts, like here, and we like start chopping off a couple of these little ears.
Yeah.
It'll come off nice.
Alright.
Yeah, because this can go. This whole chunky. Wow, dude. Wow.
That legit broke perfect.
That's fucking unreal. That's awesome. Yeah, clean this ear up.
Yep.
Yeah, clean the air up a bit, and then yeah. Yeah, here's actually you have to be careful here. You should cut it because that's already got a hole in it.
Yep, it'll blow it all.
And it needs to be like right here. So I'd do some cutty, some kid cutty. New blade. New blade. telling you, I need my wood.
Why are you guys always breaking my shit?
Oh, my Lanta! Hello?
I'm only dropping by.
Hello? Welcome to the episode.
Look what I made for you. That half-ass enough or what?
That is so awesome. That is so awesome.
I told you I was working on something you forgot about.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Yeah.
That is the best. In the middle of an episode, it's the best thing ever. That's going to go in the house. I can't even be out here. You what?
My wheel arches.
Oh. I didn't even hear you come up.
I know, kids asleep, so I had to, you know.
In the car?
No.
Oh. Oh.
But I need these to figure out what size clips I need, so I couldn't, you know.
Ah. Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, yeah.
See you later. See you at work. Where were we? You dead, Jim?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
It's thick.
Oh, yeah?
Like my girls.
How do you already have shit on the top of your head? Like, already on your forehead. You got fucking dirt right. You didn't even touch anything. Bum, 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 bum. You drooled with that one.
Yeah.
That's getting better. Right?
Yeah.
Now you just make it clean. Make it cool. Make it look fucking awesome. You could leave this here. You could just get rid of this little ear.
Yeah.
Just like where this little lip is.
Yeah.
Just clean it down.
Yeah.
You can leave this, but like right about here, try to see get a little bit closer. But you may need to leave this little scoop. Like, you just take the air off and take the air off, but you can leave this thick part. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Hold that for a second.
tap it off.
Try it.
Tap, 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 Rooski.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right. And one other ear. But you need to make sure that stays there.
Yeah, I know that.
Just kind of.
Yep.
Beautiful. You're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna have so much fun with that grind off wheel in a minute, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's gonna look dope.
Surprised that broke as clean as it did.
Dude, I'm so pumped that broke. I'm so glad I have that on video.
Right?
That's the coolest part. It's like that actually happened.
Just cut this piece here.
Yep. Dude, that looks fucking real close, bro. That looks awesome. And I'm so glad. I wish I took the bolts to these three, but I could find new bolts. But yeah, I'm glad I got that little stub piece thing.
Oh, the bearing?
Yeah, well, it was the... I don't know what the hell that thing's called.
Whatever it is.
That? I don't know what the fuck that is. That's nothing. I don't know.
It's not a bearing, but I don't know.
What are you doing? Where you at?
Cut it.
That's basically it.
Yep.
That's nice and warm, I can tell you that. Yeah?
Yeah.
The plate's gonna go there. That hole's gonna be patched, which I'm just gonna do with some fucking JB Weld.
Yep.
I mean, it's just the case. It
Plate
doesn't.
steel.
Yeah. So, do your floppy paddle thing. I'll let you go to town on that. I'm not gonna record that, but yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What is it?
Plug shit in and fuck shit up.
Well, you don't like fucking masks, do you?
No.
Godspeed. So while Charlie is doing that, I gotta figure out some shit, like how to take that off. So I have to go look for some interesting. I need some 12-point sockets I don't have, so I need to go hunting 12-point sockets. But this harness and shit could also come off in the meantime, so I'm gonna do that. He's cleaning that up. We'll check back in a few. All right, little update. So harness is almost all the way off here. I gotta get the knock sensors and the positive here. Manifold's off. Injector rail's off. But Charlie, how's your foot?
Good.
He got up. His foot was asleep. I wish I got that on camera. Look at that bad mamma jamma. Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Let's get it off this wide angle here. You guys can really look at it. There you go. So basically, it shit's like this. It shit's like this. Basically. That's about it. That's all it basically is. Yeah. That's pissa. Dude, that's like factory right there, bro. That's some factory shit.
Oh, honey.
Oh, honey, so good. It's fantastic this way. Yeah, the saw, that, and the flappy paddle. Boom. Thank you very much for occupation. Let's, Alright. So, we showed you everything, but, before we move on to the next step.
Time to have a safety meeting.
Alright, welcome back. Oh, what is that in the background? And what is that in now our foreground? Ladies and germs, meet Timmy Palms at .com. My dude right here. Well, thankfully it's not actually your full email address, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Is it really? My bad. I'll fucking bleep that out. Anyway, that right there is neat AF. Thanks to that guy right there. And thanks to these two, that one guy and that one girl. We got a turn down motor. Turn down for what? So, yeah.
She's naked.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
You're gonna come stay longer for the camera next time.
Oh, I will. I'll
All
be here
right.
next time.
Little dance, little song. Peace. So, yeah. Things are off. Basically, I need to take this pickup off. So the pickup actually gets replaced by a TDI pickup. It's much shorter. Oh, I wonder if I have the other pickup. I wonder if the other pickup will work if I still have it.
No, I broke it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got
Leave
wood.
that. But yeah, so this would come off. But anyway, yeah. So this was the issue that I had, Charlie. Was that the other pump
Yeah, it was up front.
was up
not in the
front.
back.
So, but there's some people just cut it and weld it. I'm like, I don't want to do that. I'm just you could get a shorter one, dude, and you just slightly modify it so it sits, over here, and then you take the pan and just kind of, instead of it having me down here and do this, you like boop, it sucks down here and then you go dunk, and I have very nice pictures of people online who have done it. So I'm gonna try to copy that. You put a different baffle in, and yeah, I'm actually gonna. No, I'm not gonna actually do anything. Oh yeah, how is that? Is that dirty as fuck? Oh my god, that's really clean. Usually that's really, really, really nasty, and like has a lot of fucking dirt and shit in it. But yeah. How's everything feel? I don't know. Why don't we just turn the fucking motor upside down? Let's do that. How did I break that?
Job opening.
Where's the other half? How the handle? Really? Fucking, it fucked me. Thanks. That was a little close for comfort. Oh, my Lanta. I can't put the safety pin in. The fiddle thought. Really?
What are you doing?
The thing won't... I quit. Anyway,
Hang it up.
Whatever. So what I'm looking for is if there's still cross-etching on the walls and no like nasty scoring, which yeah, there's still cross-etching in it. I don't see any scoring marks along the side wall. Just untied my boot again. Ow. I just was checking for play in the pistons and the connecting, whatever, the rods. Everything seems to be actually really nice in this.
Alright, here's your phone back.
It doesn't look that nasty either. So yeah, we're gonna clean up. That's about it. I think we're all. Next thing we're gonna do is, like I said, I have to get a steel oil pan so I can modify it, but I have to take this this thing off and then put it back in with a small block of wood, depending on what the clearance is gonna be, and then I just take a bar and make sure that the top of the motor clears. And yeah, that's it. So I gotta make a custom. I gotta do a different intake manifold that's cut differently. So I think I'm gonna have someone custom make me a manifold because it's gonna be easier. And I know someone who will do it. I will love to do it. So anyway, thank you for joining. Remember, as always, comment, like, subscribe. Peace.